Hey there guys, Jeremy back here with Consciousness Awake. Hope everyone's having a really positive day, sending good vibrations to everyone like always. In today's video, let's shoot for something a little shorter, actually not 20 minutes. So I just want to make a simple message today about the importance and actually one of the key ingredients, maybe even the secret ingredient to getting more out of body, to being more successful with astral projections. And that key ingredient is basically your availability of prana energy, it's also called chi energy, it's also called life force. It's all referring to that layer of your auric field, which is that etheric layer. Which is that energy layer, which is tied into our chakra systems. And it's roughly around about an inch or so off of our bodies, within a 1 or 2 inch range of your physical bodies. It's the next layer off of the physical layer. And this prana energy, which is referred to prana or chi, let's just call it life force energy. You know, when you have ample amounts, when you have a lot of chi energy, which you can get through different sources, it gives you that extra energy that you need to be able to supercharge or like activate your etheric body for OBEs and astral projection purposes. Not that you're always going to just consciousness shift, into your etheric body, but you're going to be using that energy during the process, during that transitionary process of shifting consciousness. The etheric layer is always involved, one way or another, but I'm not saying that every single time you astrally project, you're just, using and moving around in the etheric body. It's part of it, it's a component of it. And so let's talk about this, okay? So, how do we enhance? How do we supercharge? How do we give ourselves more prana, more chi, life force? And obviously, just eating a really good diet with food that has a lot of good energy, obviously is one important element. Also, not eating too much, so that you're not expending energy on just digestion. That's another thing. Those are parts of it. Clean water, obviously very important too. Good quality water, because also good quality water can have better chi, better energy within it, just like some food does. This energy that I'm talking about, it's around trees, it's around mountains, it's around people, it's all around us. It's just the way it is, I guess. I don't know why, but that's just the way it is. And so some of the ways to strengthen your etheric energy, your chi, a common way is just solar energy, absorbing sunlight for 20 to 30 minutes a day. I know that's maybe impossible sometimes, but we just have to try our best, depending on what geographic area you're in on Earth. But just 20 minutes, 30 minutes of sun absorption earlier in the day, and also later in the day. It's like after 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon or in the morning hours is what would be recommended for getting some solar absorption. into your prana, into your energy field. The next thing that comes to mind is just breathing, just air. Breathing, see, there's a reason why the breath work and breathing exercises are incorporated into meditation or for astral projection, because just the simple fact, or just the art of just doing a certain breathing technique can bring more of a flow of chi, into your system, into the lungs, etc., etc. So you're breathing it into your human body, and it's recirculating out into your etheric field and into your etheric body. So that's why, like, when I do certain meditations and I'm trying to strengthen my energy bodies through my breath work, I more or less expand my energy field, expand my astral bodies, my supercharge my astral body or supercharge my etheric body, and I just do it through a focused meditation, just through breath work, where you are pushing out your energy, in 365 degrees around you, not just forward. It's all around in a sphere, and you're just pumping it out, beyond the walls of the room, for example, stuff like that. So that's just done through breath work, essentially. So you're utilizing that energy through breathing. And another thing too is, this might be kind of difficult sometimes, but just being barefoot out in nature, by a lake, a creek, a stream, at the ocean, the beach, wherever that may be, or just your own backyard. But just getting out on Mother Earth, on the ground, just barefoot, also assists in that absorption of just naturally flowing chi, which can help to energize, give more energy to your etheric layer of your auric field. And so those are some things to think about. I'm sure a lot of you guys already kind of do a lot of that stuff just naturally, and there's other ways too to strengthen your etheric layer, to help you with giving you that extra energy needed to do OBE exits, and just get out of body much more smoothly, so that you can get out of the space of wherever your human body is and get far away from it, so that you can really access, like, full-on consciously aware, in control astral projections, no matter which bodies you're utilizing during your consciousness shift. Alrighty, well, that's all I want to talk about. I'm at 8 minutes. I want to do a quick video on that. You guys have a wonderful day. Sending you lots of positive energy, and I'll look forward to talking to you guys very soon. All right, peace.